The topic for today is how to optimize or clean an AutoCAD file. So here you can see the total size of the AutoCAD file is 12.34 megabytes. To optimize the file, go back to AutoCAD. Type audit in the command line. Press enter. After this it will ask for error fixing confirmation. Type Y, press enter. After pressing enter, AutoCAD will start auditing the entire drawing for all kinds of errors with autofix. So here you can see a total of 8 errors found and fixed. Press Ctrl+S to save the fix. Next type overkill. Press enter. After this it will ask to select objects. Let's select all the objects. Press enter. After pressing enter, the delete duplicate objects window will appear. Here, keep all the default settings. Click OK. Here you can see 40 duplicate objects and 55 overlapping objects deleted. Next type purge. Press enter. After pressing enter, one purge window will appear. Keep all default settings. Click purge all. Again, click on purge all checked items. After clicking, it will remove all the deleted object backups from the AutoCAD file. Again, click on purge all. Click on purge all checked items and repeat this process until the purge all option is disabled. Click on close. Press Ctrl+S to save all the fix. Next, press Ctrl+A. Press Shift and select all the drawings that you want to retain. Press delete. Here you can see 84 unknown objects deleted. Press Ctrl+S to save all the fix. Let's minimize the AutoCAD. Here you can see the AutoCAD file has been reduced to 599 kilobytes. So in this process you can optimize or clean your AutoCAD file. Like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for more interesting topics.